Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome to the class, students. Today we will discuss the new topic that are types of muscles. So you had studied in previous classes that muscles are unstriated, striated and cardiac. So unstriated muscles, they are found in the wall of many hollow organs like alimentary canal that are soft portions and ureter, urinary bladder, blood vessels, etc. This is the unstripped and this is the stripped muscle fibers here that are given into the figure. You can see here. And next one is, students, you know that striated are stripped muscles that are also called the stripped muscles. So this muscle tissue is found attached to the skeleton and it is also called the skeletal muscles, so that it is called the skeletal muscles. Okay, and here next one is they will act or they will perform the function by the desire of the organism. Okay, now next one is cardiac muscles. These muscles are found only in the wall of heart. It is very important, and these muscle fibers are short cylinder. Here these are cylindrical cells with a single nucleus, and these muscle fibers are branched and they show light and dark bands in their myofibrils, and dark areas crossing the cardiac muscle fibers are known as intercalated disc. These are actually cell membranes that separate individual cardiac muscles from each other. Students, these cardiac muscles are branched so that these are very strong. Next one is comparative account of stripped, unstripped and cardiac muscles. So that stripped muscles, here characteristics, shape of cells. So stripped muscles, they are thin, elongated, and unstripped are spindle shaped, and these cardiac cells are branched, due to which region this is very strong. And light and dark band type contraction that is present in striated and absent in unstriated and present in cardiac muscles. So these stripped muscles are voluntary and unstripped are involuntary, and these cardiac are also involuntary. And fatigue, these muscles get tired, stripped muscles get tired and unstripped muscles don't get tired. It is very important. And heart muscle also don't get tired, that means they never get tired. For functions of muscular tissue, stripped muscles and voluntary and bring about movement according to the need of organism, and locomotion is by stripped muscles and tongue movement is by stripped muscles. It is very important that tongue movement that is occurred by the stripped muscles. And peristaltic contraction in alimentary canal are brought about the unstripped muscles. Okay, and extrusive movements such as in the urinary bladder, ureter and gallbladder are the unstripped muscles. Next one is nervous tissue, students, and this is the last topic of the chapter. So nervous tissue, it is very important thing. It contains three parts. First one is the cell body, that is also known as cytone. It contains the dendrites and here axons, and after the axons there is nerve ending found. And that cell body, it has a large spherical nucleus also and abundant mitochondria as Golgi complex is there. A network of neurofibrils is also present in cytoplasm, which is present here, and cells, bodies, organelles and like endoplasmic reticulum and ribosomes are present into the plasma, here cytoplasm. Next one is dendrites. So that dendrites, some neurons have only one dendrite and many neurons have several dendrites. Okay, these are short protoplasmic processes of cell body. They may branched and more or less they receive the message. Okay, next one is axon. So here axon is a single long protoplasmic process of cell body, and the axon of a neuron that is semi-fluid and is covered by axolemma, and it is further covered by two sheaths, outer thin neurolemma and inner medullary sheath. And node of Ranvier is found there. Node of Ranvier, so that are constrictions in neurolemma where myelin sheath is interrupted, and axon has uniform thickness but it has terminal thin branches that are called the telodendria. Okay. Now next one is, students, the function of axons. Here axon has uniform thickened, you have studied, and the function of this neuron, that is also known as nerve cells. So all the body activities are controlled by the nervous system, and nervous tissue, they coordinates between various body parts during all body functions of nerves, and nervous tissue transmits nerve impulse to and from central nervous system. So this nervous system, it controls all the performance of the body. And your chapter is finished, students. The notes which you will find, you will learn that and revise this chapter properly. Thank you everyone.